Hello everyone, here is a quick tutorial on how you just go and glide through the air seamlessly in the Roblox game Surf. So first of all, this will require a lot of practice. I'm currently kind of demonstrating this. It will require practice. You don't need that much practice to go and get decent at it, but to go and become like a god, it will take a lot of time. I'm still making my way, but I figure I will help you guys out. And here is how you do it. Okay, so what you're gonna do is I have my keystrokes on the bottom. To turn that on or off, you just do SK like that. So slash SK. First thing is you're gonna want to turn on the fastest setting. So if you do slash style in chat, just like this, enter, this will pop up. Put in fast, because if you have auto hop, which is the basic setting, and you can see in the bottom left corner above times. So with auto hop, your runs may look something like this, and as you can see, you can still go places. It's just not that efficient. So make sure that you're on fast. It's the bottom one, like this. So that now when you do the thing, you can go really quick. Also, so at the bottom left of your screen, like below all the times, you can see the U's. So currently they're going up. If I stop, it goes to 0. Your normal walking speed is 18. So you'll know if you're doing this right if they're constantly increasing. So if you watch like right now, I guess, my U's are just increasing a lot, showing that I'm doing this correctly and gaining a lot of speed. So you're just going to basically jump, and if you're gonna turn to the right like this, like as you can see on the mouse, turn to the right like that, while holding your right key. So for me it's D, while in the air, so it would look like this. And you may even see a thing happen. So I just turn to the right and look at my U's real quick. So 18, I went up to 40 just by turning to the right and holding A. Something that you don't want to do is turn to the right and then hold A like that. So you don't want a big, I guess, time between turning right and holding, sorry, D. Like this is bad because they're very staggered, but this is good because it's almost at the same time. And now you just need to also practice the same thing, but going to the left. So left and A, that, left A. And you can do this in the air or on the ground. So when you're starting off your runs, you're probably going to be doing this on the ground like this. But then in the air, you're going to do the same thing. So this just takes practice because, one, the timing. So this is really bad, for example. I currently have like 80 U's. But if I were to do that well, I would get up to like 100, as you can see. A few things to note as well is that you can just hold down space to go and jump. So like if you look at my jump key, I'm just holding it down. And I'm jumping. So when you're B-hopping, you can just hold down jump. You don't have to tap it. This is me tapping it. It's a lot harder. Also, so you're going to want to go left. And then you're going to want to go and just... It's not that complex. You just go left. And then you just turn to the right and hold D. So like here, left, right, left, right. And yeah, that is the basics. I'll just go and do a quick run. Okay, and if you chain these together, then you can go and get a ton of speed. So I'm air strafing currently, see? Ow. This is not a good time, but... Just look to the right, hold D, look to the left, hold A. If you don't have fast on, then your B-hops will be really bad. And by the way, so the terminology for this is B-hopping is on the ground, air strafing is in the air. And B-hopping on the ground, I think, is faster. Not 100%, but it just seems faster to me, at least. And yeah, that is how you do it. Thank you for watching. Be sure to watch some other videos if you want to learn more random stuff. And have a good day.